Have you ever considered how moments of divine revelation could occur in the most ordinary circumstances? It was a crisp morning in 2007, and Tonya found herself behind the wheel, driving towards a training session with her colleague, Shawn. As the highway stretched out before them, Shawn began reading aloud from Tonya's daily devotional book, Fasting, Wrong Thinking by Gregory Dickow. The words, "The will of God is such a mystery," hung in the air, setting the stage for a profound moment. As the devotional words echoed in the car, Tonya's mind was catapulted back to a vivid vision she had experienced. She saw a radiant bride, symbolizing the church, and a groom, representing Jesus Christ. Surrounding them, people were praying in unity before a cross. The message of the vision was clear, yet profound. As the church unites in prayer, it rises, ready to meet its groom, and life will be irrevocably changed. Confusion washed over Tonya as she grappled with the significance of the vision. "Why are you showing me this? What am I supposed to do?" she questioned. Yet in the midst of her uncertainty, she found comfort in the understanding that she didn't need to act, but simply to be. To be present, to be attentive, and to bear witness to God's unfolding plan. With this revelation, a sense of anticipation and excitement filled Tonya. She was eager for the coming times, and deeply moved that God had chosen to share this vision with her. It was a testament to the transformative power of unity in the church, and a promise of a future filled with hope and possibility. So as the car continued to cut through the early morning light, Tonya carried with her the vision of the rising bride. It was a reminder of God's faithfulness, and a beacon of hope for the transformative power of unity within the church. In summary, this story serves as a gentle reminder that moments of divine revelation can occur at any time. The vision of the rising bride underscores the power of unity in the church and the transformative effect it can bring. Above all, it teaches us the importance of being present and attentive to God's unfolding plan, even in the midst of our everyday lives.